First of all, we need to install Raylib in our Linux system. I am using Ubuntu 20.04. Go to Raylib GitHub. Select Wiki tab and search for Install ImGui Linux. Now we have to copy some commands in order to install Raylib. As I already installed those, so my terminal output may different. As my system is Ubuntu, so I am going with first command. Now we need to clone GitHub repo of Raylib. Change directory to Raylib/source. We need static version of Raylib's, so we copy the platform_desktop command. Finally, we install using command sudo make install. Now Raylib is successfully installed in our system. We can verify by running an example. Make a project folder in Visual Studio Code. Copying the source code of a normal window example from Raylib official website. To compile Raylib program, Raylib wiki page has a command. We need to modify it a bit to work with C++. I paste the command in bash file, so we don't have to type the command again and again. In the command type G++ instead of CC and change game.c to main file. In my case it is main.cpp. Now after executing command we got a file named .out and executing this will open a Raylib window. Now we need to clone ImGui and our ImGui GitHub repo. I provide the link of both the GitHub repo in description. After cloning both the repos, we need to copy some files into our project folder. Make an include folder in root directory of project folder. From ImGui folder, copy all the header files in include folder. Copy all the C++ files into root directory of project folder. Go to our ImGui folder and copy header files to include and C++ files to root of project folder. Your project folder should look like this. Now we need to make some changes in our bash file. We need to compile all the C++ files, and we have to tell the compiler where our include folder is located by mentioning the path in the command. I got this error because I forgot to add extras folder into include. From our ImGui, we need to copy extras folder in include. Compiling the program again will lead to the same example window. Now let's render ImGui to Raylib window. Here we create an 800 by 800 window, setting FPS to 60. In while loop inside draw method, we write our ImGui sample code. Then after while loop, we destroy ImGui and close window. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.